अस्सलाम वालेकुम। दरअसल ना एक स्क्रू बनाने को आया था और उसमें बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था सबको, तो मैंने सोचा कि स्क्रू जो है वो आपको बना के दिखा दूं और ना बताऊं कि थ्रेड्स उसके अंदर किस तरीके से बनेंगी। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तो मैंने गलती की है, वो ये है कि मैं जो हूँ वो MMGS में नहीं आया हूँ। ठीक है, तो सॉरी IPS में नहीं आया, IPS में आ गया मैं यहाँ पे। ठीक है, यहाँ पे गया एडिट फीचर और यहाँ पे स्मार्ट डायमेंशन पे क्लिक किया, इसको डायमेंशन दी हमने 0.25. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to extrude it about 0.875 inches. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to select this plane and sketch, make a circle of a diameter about of major diameter. What is major diameter? Major diameter is 0.375 inches. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to extrude it. Go features, extrude boss base, and extrude up to 3.75 inches. Okay, now the comes the main part about the threading. So first of all, for this for helix, you have to select this plane, sketch, go for circle, and not go for circle, pick up this thing, convert entities, exit, go for curves, go for helix, and this thing has been selected, this sketch has been selected. So what you have to do, you have to put the pitch. What is the pitch? The pitch is 1 upon 16 of inch, 1 upon 16. And what are the revolutions? You have to set the revolution by yourselves. um, Anything else? No. So you have to set the revolutions. I'm setting about 62 revolutions, and in the reverse direction. Okay, I think these revolutions are not enough, quite enough, so I'm telling him about 75 revolutions. Okay, just do it. Now you have to select a plane which is perpendicular so that you can make a profile. Okay, so go over here, and now we are heading towards the profile. So basically, if you see the profile, you will see, you will make it uh, about in the opposite direction, but you don't have to do that. You have to do just like I am doing right now in front of you. Okay, so first of all, you have to pick this point, make a line like this. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, this is a problem. So what you have to do, go for this and just turn it off. Okay, no, no, now it will not hurdle you. Make a profile like this. First of all, you have to make a rough sketch, then after that you will make a you will dimension it. Okay, so uh, also make a center line which will pass through the origin like this. Okay, now you have to dimension it. No, I think so we have not completed the profile right now. Oh yes, we have to dimension it only. So first of all, dimension it, not this thing, but dimension this thing. So what will this be equal to? This will be equal to the minor diameter. But as we have taken the center line, so we will put the radius. So what is the radius? Radius will be divided by 2. So the minor dia or D1 is 0.307342 divided by 2. Okay. Now, now what is this length? This length is P by 4. P by 4. What is the pitch? Pitch is 0.0625 divided by 4. Okay. Now you have to take the angle. How will you gonna do that? First select this, and now select this, and give it. So if you can see, the angle is about 60 degree. So what will, if you can see that this angle is more than 90, so what you have to do, you have to put 180 minus 60. Done. Okay, same goes for the second line as well. 180 minus 60. Okay, I think so. Dimension, everything is fully defined. It should be. Yes, it is. It is fully defined. So what you have to do, you have to, one thing for sure, you have to complete this sketch. Otherwise, you will not uh, going to be cutting it with the swept cut command. Okay. So if you can, you can see that this sketch is in black color, which means that it has been fully defined. You can see over here that it has written by SolidWorks that it is fully defined. So now you have the sketch, and there is the helix. I can show over here. Now what you have to go, you have to go for you have to exit sketch first. Once you exit it, go for features, go for swept cut, and the sketch has already been selected. Now select the helix, and you can see that it is only cutting this side, but we have to cut the both sides, so we will select this option. It will take a little bit of time for processing, and now you can see and my laptop is just hanging a little bit. Yes, it is. So you can see that it has covered the both sides. If you do this, so it will cover the this side, okay. So we have to cut on the both sides so that we can get the pretty edge. Okay, so we do this, it will take processing. Okay, so it will process it a big thing. Okay, so turn off this. You can see this edge, that I want, this edge. Okay, this edge will be there over here as well. I can show you. Yes, this edge. Okay, this edge, if you can see this edge, this one, this beautiful edge. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to make the head. So go over here, sketch, make a circle, and give it the diameter of 0.625. So please take care of the diameter, whether it is putting radius or diameter, so both will be different. Okay, now go for features, extrude boss base, and extrude up to 0.438 millimeter 8 inches. Okay, so this is pretty easy. Now comes the extrude cut part. So to take a plane, but I will take a plane like this. Go for sketch. Now make a circle. So if you hover over here, you can see the center. So okay, and now give the dimension of the circle as 0.266 inches, and also give the distance from the center 0.219. Okay, and it is not fully defined yet, which is not a good thing. Why it has not been defined? So this thing, take this thing and pick this point, right? If you hover over here, you can find that point. Okay, we can do one thing more as well. This was the half of the length. So what will be what was the diameter? The diameter was 0.625. So we will dimension it half of it. Okay, 0.625 divided by 2. So the sketch is fully defined. Now we will go features and extrude cut. So go for mid plane and just make a bigger one, so it will cut both sides fully. Okay, now we have made this screw. You can see. Now you have to color it. For coloring, you have to select this right click, select this, right click. After that, select body, and after that, pick up the color that you want to have. You can also go for here and go for steel and go for any color like this if you want to. Yes, like this. Okay, it all depends upon you what kind of thing do you want to have. Okay, so our screw is ready. I hope you like it and it will benefit you. Allah Hafiz.